said, but you are not able to pass the whiteboard.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait a while. Now, are you?
No, sir. Yes.
Okay. Yes, student, listen to me. In a ninth class, you have studied about the congruence of triangles.
Yes.
Congruence of triangles.
Yes.
Congruence of triangles. That is your triangle ABC. ABC and that is your triangle DEF. What is the congruence? What is the meaning of congruence? Yes?
They will completely overlap each other.
Overlapping.
Yes.
Okay.
One side each
Yes.
other.
It means corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equals.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
yes, if triangle ABC, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BEF. given. It means corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. It means AB is equal to BE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF, AC is equal to DF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle. This is your CPCD. What is your CPCD? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle you have already studied about in 9th standard. And congruence rule are first side congruence rule, angle congruence rule. Third one is angle side congruence rule. Angle side congruence rule, and your fourth side congruence rule is your RHS congruence rule. This one we have already studied in 9th standard. 9th standard we have already studied about it. Have you noted down it?
Yes, sir.
Note it. Yes. Now, today I want to discuss the topic similarity of triangles, because similarity of triangle will be used in the derivation of section formula. So I want to discuss little bit portion of similarity of triangles. I will detail discuss you when I will start the chapter number 6. Okay. That portion will use in section formula. I will discuss today. May I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, similarity of triangles. What is similarity of triangles? Similarity of triangles means two figures whose shape is same but size are different.
Sides are proportional but angles are equal.
Yes. Whose shape is same but size is different. But in congruence, shape and size are same. In congruence of triangle, shape and size are same, but in similarity of triangle, shape are same. आपको शेप ऐसी एक जैसी दिखाई देगी, लेकिन उनका साइज डिफरेंट हो सकता है. Such as this is your triangle ABC, and this is your also a triangle.
Sir, in similarity, figure must be same whether its size may be different.
Yes, it is your also a figure. That is your DE. You are observing that shape is same but size is different. Size is different. Now, what is the similarity criterion? Similarity criterion is angle, angle, angle. Similarity criterions. Angle, angle. Similarity criterions. Side, angle, side. Similarity criterions. And fourth is side, side, side. Similarity criterion. Listen. If triangle ABC.
Sir, why you have written only 2A in second part? Means 3A होंगे तो 2 क्यों लिखा?
Listen. If corresponding two angles are equal, suppose करो कि यहाँ पे ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, corresponding एंगल, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, तो ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग बात है कि जो एंगल C है वो एंगल F के अपने आप इक्वल हो जाएगा. Why? एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल. क्योंकि एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल क्या होती है? एक ट्रायंगल के सभी एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. अगर आपके पास ये 50 डिग्री है, ये भी 50 है, ये आपके पास क्या है 60 डिग्री है, ये भी 60 है, तो ये एंगल कितना होगा आपके पास?
70.
70. ये कितना होगा?
70.
अगर हमने क्या है कोई भी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग दो एंगल अगर इक्वल कर दिए तो दैट ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर, वो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो जाएगी. ओके, एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? ओके, नाउ ट्रायंगल ABC given I will detail study in chapter number 6 when I will start it. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. DEF is given. In similarity, corresponding sides are in same ratio. Proportionality. वहाँ पे कांग्रेस में क्या था? corresponding side इक्वल होती है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है? corresponding side क्या है? आपकी proportionality मिलेगी. देखो corresponding side proportionality means क्या होता है? देखिए यहाँ पे अगर ये 2 है तो यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 3 है, ये 3 है, तो ये आपके पास 6 है, ये आपके पास 4 है, ये आपके पास 8 है. 2/4 3/6 3/6 4/8 1/2. It means they are in the same ratio. ये आपके पास सेम रेशियो में है. तो यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या है? corresponding side will be in the same ratio. AB upon BE, BC upon BF, AC upon BF. आपके पास रेशियो क्या सेम है कि नहीं? रेशियो इज सेम और नॉट? रेशियो इज सेम और नॉट? यस. एंगल A एंगल D के इक्वल है, एंगल B एंगल E के इक्वल है, एंगल C एंगल F के इक्वल है. CPST y corresponding part of similar triangles, corresponding parts of similar triangles, corresponding parts of similar triangles. corresponding parts of similar triangles. आपके पास corresponding sides क्या हैं, सेम रेशियो में आती है, corresponding जो एंगल है इक्वल होते हैं. कोई डाउट का प्रॉब्लम इसमें?
नो सर.
हम क्या है कॉन्ग्रुएंस करने ना सिमिलरिटी करने के लिए एंगल का यूज कर सकते हैं, एंगल का यूज कर सकते हैं, एंगल साइड का यूज कर सकते हैं, साइड का यूज कर सकते हैं. अभी मैं क्या है सेक्शन फार्मूला में दो ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर प्रूव करूंगा. सिमिलर करते ही कोरस्पोंडिंग साइड को सेम रेशियो में लेके आऊंगा. ठीक है, प्लीज नोट डाउन इट. आई एम स्टार्टिंग सेक्शन फार्मूला. Have you done or not? Okay. Now your section formula. Section formula. Section formula. Section formula क्या है? We have to given a 2 points in a Cartesian plane. This is your Cartesian plane. It is your x dash. It is your y dash. It is your point. I am taking 2 points. 2 points I am taking, and these 2 points are A and B. A and B. A, that is your x1, y1. Your point. And second point is your B, x2, y. Okay? Any problem? Any doubt? A point P.
No, sir.
A point P. A point P.
No, sir.
A point P xy. Divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio of m1 ratio m2. That is your m1. m1 MAP m1 and PB m2 ratio. m1 ratio m2. Any doubt? Any problems? मैंने क्या है AP जो AP ratio PB is m1 ratio m2. A ratio. May I proceed it?
Sir, why do you taking ratio over here?
Ratio. In section formula there will be ratio 2:3, 5:8, 3:5 will be given. By using that ratio you have to find out the coordinate of point P, which is dividing the line segment. आपके पास जो A है इसे कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास मिलेंगे, जो आपके पास B है इसके कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास मिलेंगे. You have to find out the coordinate of point this by using the ratio that is it AP ratio PB m1 ratio m2. m1 की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है, m2 की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है. ओके, now we proceed.
Yes, sir.
Yes. From A draw perpendicular on x-axis. That is your point R. Now from P draw perpendicular on x-axis. That is your S. From B, draw perpendicular on x-axis. That is your T. That is your T. Any doubt? Any problems?
No.
Okay. Now draw AQ. Draw AQ parallel to x-axis. Draw AQ parallel to x-axis. Now draw BC parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Listen to me. अगर ये एंगल 90 डिग्री का आपके पास और ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल, this line is parallel to this. This is your transversal. अगर ये एंगल आपके पास, ये एंगल क्या है आपके पास, क्या है 90 क्या 60 का है, तो ये एंगल कैसे होगा, ये होगा corresponding angles. Corresponding angle. This will be 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Okay. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any problem up to here?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Now this distance is x1.
Yes, sir.
Now this distance is x.
Yes, sir. X.
तो what ये डिस्टेंस क्या हो गया आपके पास? उदाहरण के लिए। This is your RS distance.
X minus X1.
Very good. X minus x1. X minus x1. This is your also x minus x1. Now this distance, ये distance क्या हो गया आपके पास?
X2 minus X.
Come from
X minus X.
x2 minus x.
X2 minus X.
Okay, clear? अब मेरे को बताइए ये डिस्टेंस आपके पास क्या होगा?
इसके भी X2 minus
बताइए।
Y minus Y1. Y minus Y1.
हाँ, y minus y1. This is coordinate y and this is your y1.
Yes, sir. Minus.
y minus y1. Any doubt? Any problems? समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
No, sir.
है भाई?
No, sir. No, sir.
अभी कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं। कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं क्या?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, प्रिया तिवारी। कंफ्यूज?
Correct.
हो गया कंफ्यूज।
We are not doing.
देखिए।
We are not doing.
यस, ये डिस्टेंस कितनी है आपके पास? ये डिस्टेंस देखिए आपके पास, ये डिस्टेंस कितनी है फ्रॉम एक्स एक्सिस? ये डिस्टेंस आपके पास y है ना, पूरी कंप्लीट y है ना, ये डिस्टेंस कितनी है आपके पास? ये पॉइंट y है तो y1 होगा।
Y1.
अब y में से y1 माइनस कर दो, ये आपके पास जो डिस्टेंस दिया है ना, ये जो डिस्टेंस y माइनस y1, सेम ऐसे ये आपके पास y2 माइनस y1।
Y2
Sir,
minus
these
Y1.
two different parts because it's not clearly visible now. It's very confused now.
कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो? यस प्रगति।
No, sir, please use another color. Please use another color pen because this color is not so.
Okay, 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 okay. Yes. That is your y minus y1. This distance. ठीक है? And okay. Now this distance. is x2 minus x. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
this distance this distance is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y, sorry. y2 minus y. And now any problems?
No, sir.
Now this is your point Q and this is your C point. Now in triangle AQP and triangle PCB, in triangle AQB on triangle PCB, this is your 90 degree and this is also 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Corresponding angle equals. These lines are parallel to each other. ये लाइन पैरेलल आपके पास और ये ट्रांसवर्सल. ये एंगल जो ये एंगल है,
Q is equal to D is equal to TDC.
ये जो एंगल है, ये एंगल ये इसके इक्वल होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why? Why?
Consider corresponding angles.
Angle 1, angle 2, angle
Corresponding
3,
angles, sir.
yes, angle 4. This is angle 1, angle 2 is 90 degree, angle 3, angle 4 corresponding angles. Any doubt?
Corresponding.
Why they are similar?
Any doubt? Any problems? ये angle 4 आपका ये है, angle 4 आपके पास
No
ये है,
doubt.
ये angle 4 ये है आपके पास, ये angle 4 है.
Sir, your voice is not clear now.
Angle 1, angle 2 is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Angle 3, angle 4 corresponding angles.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now we proceed in triangle AQP. In triangle AQP. In triangle AQP. And triangle PCB. Triangle PCB. PCB. Yes. Angle 1, angle 2 is 90 degree.
Right angle triangle.
Yes. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4.
Right corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle AQP is similar to triangle PCB. Why? Angle similarity criterion. Yes. Similarity criterion.
Sir, in between the video is getting paused.
Yes. Cold. What happens? Any problems?
Yes, sir, video रुक जाएगी.
अब ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, AP upon PB. AP upon PB. Corresponding triangles. Yes. AQ upon PC. QP upon CB and AP upon PB. AQ upon PC. AQ upon PC and AP upon PB and QP upon CB.
CB.
Yes. Now AP upon PB. AP upon PB.
M1 upon M2.
Yes.
M1 upon Q2.
Yes. Now AQ upon PC. AQ upon PC. Now PQ upon BC. PQ upon BC. CP ST. मतलब ये कोई डाउट यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
No problems.
Yes, sir.
What is your AP? Yes. Ask me.
So what is the difference in the sign of congruency and similarity?
Yes. In congruency there will be two equal sign, but in similarity there is only yes.
Only one that is with one curve.
Yes, yes, yeah, listen to me. It is your congruent sign. It is your congruent sign, it is your similar sign. Okay?
Oh,
Yes. What is your AP? What is your AP?
M1
M1.
M1 by M2?
Sir, could you please tell what you have written CPST? It should be CPCT now.
CPST, corresponding part of similar triangles. Congruent triangle is CPST. In CPCT corresponding parts are equal, but in CPST corresponding parts are similarly. Okay, M1 by M2.
Okay.
Your AQ by PC. What is your AQ?
Sir, with
X minus X1.
X minus X1.
X2 minus X. X minus X.
What is your
X
PC?
minus X1 upon X2 minus X.
PC is PC.
X2 minus X.
PC.
Yes, sir. X2 minus X.
Yes, sir. X2 minus X.
X2 minus X.
Yes, sir.
X2 minus X. What is your PQ? Y पे जाएगा अभी.
Y minus Y1.
Y minus
X
Y1.
minus Y.
And what is your BC?
Y minus
Y2 minus Y?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes.
yeah. We have to find out the coordinate of point P, X, Y. It means X and Y. We have to find out the value of X and Y. Now, first of all, we will utilize the M1 by M2. X minus X1. X2 minus X. This is your first condition. Next is your M1 by M2. That is your Y minus Y1 and Y2 minus Y. That is your second condition.
Yes.
Now we have to find out the value of X from there and value of Y from here. X की वैल्यू क्यों फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि कोऑर्डिनेट जो है हमारे पास P X Y है and we have to find out the value of X and value of Y. Do it fast. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, it will become N1 X2 minus N2 X1 and upon
Wait a
N1
while.
plus N2.
Wait a while. Have you done or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, not done.
Yes, sir.
May I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Your M1 by M2 is equal to X minus X1
X minus X1.
divided by
X minus
X2 minus X.
X2 minus X. X2 minus X. Now cross multiply it and try to find out the value of X. if m1 bracket x2 minus x, that is your m2 x minus x1, that is your m1 x2 plus m1 x m2 x minus m2 x1. ओके, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम कर रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now find out the value of x. Yes,
Newton's second law of
M1
motion में momentum.
m1 x2 plus m2 x1. Yes. Now m1 x plus m2 x. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
m1 x2 m2 x1. What is common? X common. m1 plus m2. Now we have to find out the value of x. m1 x2 m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. That is the value of x. Similarly, you have to find out the value of y. Can you do it?
Sir, I want to ask.
Yes. What do you want to ask? Just 1 second.